You're welcome to Basic Science and Technology class for JS1 students. Today we shall be looking at properties of materials. Let us look at the objective of today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to do the following. 1. State the properties of hardwood. 2. State the properties of softwood. 3. State the properties of metals. 4. State the properties of ceramics. 5. State the properties of rubber. And 6. State the properties of plastic. Properties of materials. In the course of the lesson, we shall be looking at the properties of the following materials. 1. Wood. 2. Metal. 3. Ceramic. 4. Plastic. And 5. Rubber. Let us look at wood. Woods are gotten from trees. There are two types of wood. We have the hardwood and the softwood. They are used to manufacture different materials. Wood can be identified based on colors too. For instance, mahogany is reddish brown, obeche is light brown, teak and iroko are yellowish brown in color. Now, softwood are obtained from coniferous trees with thin needle-like leaves and long, slim trunk. Properties of wood. Softwood. The first property of softwood is that they are easy to work with. And secondly, they are used for making paper and tissues. For instance, we have pine and cedar trees. Let us look at hardwood. Their properties. 1. They usually have a higher density than softwood. Basalt is an exception. 2. They grow at a slower rate than softwood. 3. Hardwood are more fire resistant than softwood. 4. The leaves of hardwood trees are evergreen. 5. They are used for making quality furniture in terms of strength. Properties of metals. Metals are chemical elements such as iron or gold or a mixture of such elements like sheets, which electricity and heat can travel through and which are generally strong. Now the properties of metals in full. 1. They are malleable. This means that they can be beaten into shapes. 2. They are ductile. This means that metals can be drawn into wire. 3. They are lustrous. That means they shine when they are polished. 4. Metals have high melting and boiling point. 5. Metals are good conductors of electricity and heat. 6. They make sonorous sound when beaten. Properties of ceramic. Ceramic are generally made by taking clay from the ground and mixing it with water. Now the properties. 1. They have high melting points. 2. They are heat resistant. 3. They can be very hard with great strength. 4. They are durable. That means they last for a long time. 5. Most are electrical insulators and cannot conduct electricity. 6. Most are non-magnetic. Let's look at the properties of plastic. Plastic is a synthetic material molded into shape under heat. The two major classes of plastics are thermoset and thermoplastic. Thermosets are those that cannot be softened by heat, while thermoplastics can be softened by heat. Now, the properties of plastic. 1. It can be recycled. 2. It is impermeable to water, light, and gases. 3. It does not conduct electricity. 4. It is resistant to corrosion. And 5. it is lightweight. Properties of rubber. Rubber is a flexible material produced like plastic. It is either made of natural rubber, that is latex, or synthetic rubber. Now, some of the properties include 1. It is elastic. 2. It is strong and tough. 3. It is highly impermeable to both water and air, and therefore it can be used to retain water, as in rubber bottle and hoses. 4. It is a bad conductor of heat. 5. It can contain liquid and gases. 6. The synthetic rubber offers great resistance to acids, petroleum products, and so on and so forth. Students, this is time for evaluation questions. 1. Give 2 examples of softwood and hardwood. 2. State 4 properties of metals. 3. State 4 properties of ceramic. 4. State 4 properties of plastics. And 5. Identify the following wood based on their colors: Iroko, mahogany, and obeche. In case you are confused, go over the video again. You will see the answers to this question. We have come to the end of the lesson. I want to thank you for listening. I will see you in the next lesson.